Hey guys, welcome back to Lego with Fonzie. Let us A. Yeah. How's everyone doing? I thought I'd do a little bit of a quick update today. Quick update, see to let you know where we're up to with our little projects we're working on. So, first of all, little update on this Lego ship in a bottle. Lego ideas. I forget what the model name is now. 92177. Little update. First of all, lighting set. Very bloody complicated. Push that out of the way for a moment. Pop you over there. It's done in two halves. These are the lights for the mast with the light for the bottle stopper there. This is an extension piece. Comes off the loom there. Literally just clips in there. That took some doing. That will all be they go on the stand, and that'll be all done in a few days. And then, so expect to see that on the channel in about a week. I'm just currently waiting for. Wait for it. Put the lighting to one side. Pop you over there. These. Now, there's 250 blue studs in the bag. There's 284 in the bottle. There's 250 there. I have ordered another 500 of these studs from good old Britlink. They should be here tomorrow or the day after. So in the next couple of days they'll be here. I'll get that all put together, get it filmed, edited, and pop that up. So that should be out on the channel in about a week. Well, it's out of the next week anyway. So that pop that to one side. Now then, next, we have new model time. Oh yes, new model time. Ta-da! Yes, now I've been looking at Little Technic models, and I thought, why not? Let's grab one. So I was out shopping today, and lo and behold, this is sat on the shelf, and I'm like, why not? So I've grabbed that. So what I'm going to do is, it's only a tiny little macro model. So my plan is to do a one episode build on this. A literal, here's one, Bosch speed build, on this one. Lego Technics 42116. Nice little model. Little dump, what do you call it? Little skid steer sort of thing. Little bobcat. Lovely little thing. Quite cheap, £7. Can't argue with that. So yes, that will be an episode appearing very soon. As soon as I've got it edited, built, and again queued up. So that it's time for the big one. It's time for the big one. Now, we've built the lever, which is sat there. If you can see it or not on the camera, you might just catch some of it. It's sat over there. We've built Lego in a bottle. Next, give me a moment. This one's. Give me a moment on this one. That looks a bit better, and that's just adjust the camera. So next is Lego Technics 42114. It's a 6x6 Volvo articulated hauler. This is what we're making next. The other models are going to get put in between building portions of this. I'm just waiting for bits to appear for the other models. Once they're here, then we'll start building them, get them done and out, and yeah, I cannot wait to get that ship all finished, get all the plastic all polished up and making it look nice. So yes, this is the next one in the series. This is the next big build. This will be coming to you over the next few weeks. yes, I am very, very much looking forward to building this. It's got a couple of motors in this I haven't played with yet. It has an XL motor, an L motor, and it also has what appears to be a turntable motor. I haven't unboxed it yet. Unboxing will be separate. But yes, keep an eye out for that very soon. So, thanks very much for watching. Little quick video. And as always, may the Fonzie be with you all. Let us A. Yeah. See you soon. Peace out, folks. Look after yourselves in these mad times. And I'll chat to you all very, very soon. Thanks for your support. Bye for now. Yeah.